Just add dish soap on lime peel and you're gonna thank me. I stopped spending money. So guys, this is what you do. First, take the peel of 4 limes and then go ahead and put it all in the blender. Next, let's get about 1 cup of water, just regular water at room temperature. Let's put it here. Alright, now let's blend everything really good. Once that's done, let's get another container, and with the help of a sieve, let's strain all this liquid. Because for this recipe, we're just using the liquid. Alright, now we're gonna need dish soap. Here I'm using this coconut scented one, but you can use whatever you prefer. I'm gonna add here 6.5 ounces of dish soap. So, dish soap in. Now, we're also gonna need baking soda. Let's add just 1 tablespoon. Put it here, and now let's give it a good mix. And then let's finish with alcohol. Here I'm using 36%, but you can use the 90% as well. Go ahead and add about 3 ounces of alcohol. So let's put it here. And now just mix everything very well. Alright folks, now our product is ready. And in order to make the application easier, let's transfer everything to a spray bottle. So put it here, get a funnel, and let's transfer all of our mixture. Then just close it. And what did we just do here, folks? This is an excellent homemade all-purpose cleaner. That's right, this is a cleaner and also a powerful degreaser. So you can use it to clean your stove. Just apply it and it's gonna remove all kinds of dirt, remains of food, impregnated grease, and in addition to cleaning, it's also gonna leave a very pleasant smell of lime on your stove and kitchen. You can also use it to clean your microwave. Just like the stove, it's gonna help to remove all the dirt and food leftovers. And most importantly, it's gonna help to remove bad odors. As we heat different types of food in the microwave, the smell tends to get pretty nasty sometimes. So basically this product right here can help you to remove any bad smells. So that's it guys. Here's a great product. And as I said, it's a multi-purpose cleaner, which means you can do a lot with it. You can also use it to clean the oven or the bathroom floor, the bathroom sink, countertops, you name it. So in other words, that's a really good product for heavy cleaning. So no more buying expensive products from stores when you can make this product yourself with things you already have at home.